Welcome to my channel Omer But, and in this video I will show you that how to change the default language in your WordPress dashboard. You can see here in my screen I'm using English language, but on the front end I'm using I'm publishing the content in Urdu language. So for instance, I want to change the language of my dashboard, WordPress dashboard also. So what we can do here in our dashboard, you can see on the left sidebar we have a lot of options, and one of them is settings. So we will proceed to the settings and then journal section, and here you can see site language it's showing English United States. So if you click here, so as a drop down menu you can find a lot of languages, and one of them is Urdu also, which actually I want to change. I want to apply actually. So what I will do, I will click here, and now we will save changes, and we can see the dashboard language, default language has been changed. So now here you can see post, tamam post, all posts, safhas, pages, tamam safhat, all pages, media, and everything is here. Like if I go to safhat, tamam safhat, this is all pages I can see, and post, tamam post, my posts is are already in Urdu language. So see, it's showing Urdu, and dashboard settings now also in Urdu. So if we want to switch back, we can go to Tartibat, Amumi, settings, journal, and here we can switch back to the English United States. So this is the easy method you can follow to apply or to change the default language in WordPress. Thank you so much once again, and please subscribe my channel.